Hey, good morning, man. So, Mary and I are sitting here at mile 31 of the Appalachian Trail heading northbound. It is December 5th and it's like 6 a.m., I think. Is it 6 a.m.?
Close enough.
Close enough to 6 a.m. So, Mary and I are getting ready to do our daily routine. We don't have a bunch of shuttles today, but we will be sitting around waiting for shuttles to call. And then doing some other stuff, of course, man. But Mary's going to take it away here with the weather, news, and trail chatter.
That's right.
Thank you, Mary. Go ahead and take it away, my friend.
All right, you're welcome, Donald, and thank you. So, good morning, everybody. Right now in Blairsville, it is 42 degrees and it feels like it's 38. And we are going to have a high today of 43. It's going to be cloudy early on, and then we're going to have some sunshine. There's a 10% chance of rain. Wind is 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight it's going to be 14 degrees. It's going to be clear and 5 to 10 mile per hour winds.
13 degrees, huh? 14.
Yes.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, cold. It's awesome. Car will be crispy in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then today up on Blood Mountain, the highest mountain on the Appalachian Trail here in Georgia, we're looking at a high of 39, dropping to 24 degrees this afternoon. 20 to 25 mile per hour winds with gusts up to 40. And then tonight it's going to be 17 degrees, clear, 10 to 20 mile per hour winds, gusts up to 30. Water's good on the trail between Hawk and Justice. Make sure you top off. And then if you're doing the filters like the
Platypus or the gravity fed
yes,
filters.
That's right. Keep those filters warm.
Yeah, they'll freeze right up. I suggest actually buying a pump, an MSR pump or Katadyn. Or
I think that's a great idea.
They have other stuff out today too, man. Those are just the two that I'm familiar with, so that's the ones I say. But I mean, MSR pumps, man, they're fairly cheap, but you can use them over and over and over and over again, and they are a little bit heavy, but I think the filter's ceramic, and so the way it works is it has a tube, and then the tube you put into the water goes into a little cylinder, and the cylinder is the filter, and it's a ceramic filter, and when it clogs up, man, like you'll suck up debris, and the filter, of course, will filter it out, but it's like on the outside of it. So you take the filter out, the filter's removable, so you pull the filter out. It's a little tube, cylindrical type little deal, and so you just wipe it off, put it back into the pump, and then start pumping again. The only thing that I find frustrating about them is the debris that it sucks up, and so you have to be kind of creative and possibly dig a cistern, or that way you're not sucking all that crap up from the bottom, and then sucking it into the pump, because it's a pain in the ass actually. Then the pump will kind of like it goes really slow.
Gets temperamental.
Yeah, and so. But what's really cool about them is those Nalgene bottles and stuff. If you're a Nalgene bottle carrier, the pump actually screws right on top of it. So you'll have the Nalgene bottle and the pump screwed right on. You just pump it, and the water will just go in. It's kind of I like them personally, and then they come out with the Sawyers and stuff. And so, but that's definitely something that people should look into if you're building a winter pack, is those type of filters. I always suggest to people to have numerous setups, man. You can't just have one setup. You have to have numerous, because I mean, a winter setup is not going to work for a summer setup, of course. I mean, it's going to work, but it's going to be heavy, and it's going to be you're gonna be carrying a 0 degree bag in 100-degree weather down here. So, anyways, do we have anything else you want to say?
No. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I know there's not really much going on. It's super cold, man. We have had some dusting for snow, man. So definitely, if you're coming to Georgia to bust some miles, man, be ready for this cold weather. We have been taking people off trail that were not ready. So definitely be prepared for what Georgia has to offer. Just because we're in the Southeast does not mean that it's not cold, because it is. It's super cold, because I'm actually from Maine, and I can tell you from experience that it's equally as cold as Maine in the winter here, man. Maybe not as intense, so we'll get warmer days, man. But the night times, man, definitely can drop down into the zero, below
When you get those winds
negative.
kicking up too, it makes it even colder.
Yeah, yeah. All right, that's all we have to say for today, man. If anyone needs anything at all, give Mary and I a call. We're here for you guys, man. Anytime, man. One love, peace.